The whistling ducks or tree ducks are a subfamily, Dendrocygnini, of the duck, goose and swan family of birds, Anatidae. They are not true ducks. In other taxonomic schemes, they are either considered a separate family Dendrocygnidae, or a tribe Dendrocygnini in the goose subfamily Anserinae. The subfamily has one genus, Dendrocygna, which contains 8 living species, and one undescribed extinct species from Aitutaki of the Cook Islands. Taxonomy and evolution. Whistling ducks were first described by Carl Linnaeus in the 10th edition of Systema Naturae in 1758, the black-bellied whistling duck and the West Indian whistling duck. In 1837, William John Swainson named the genus Dendrocygna to distinguish whistling ducks from the other waterfowl. The type species was listed as the wandering whistling duck, formerly named by Thomas Horsfield as Anas arcuata. Whistling duck taxonomy, including that of the entire infra-order Anserinae, is complicated and disputed. Under a traditional classification proposed by ornithologist Jean Théodore Delacour based on morphological and behavioral traits, whistling ducks belong to the tribe Dendrocygnini under the family Anatidae and subfamily Anserinae. Following the revisions by ornithologist Paul Johnsgaard, Dendrocygnini includes the genus Thalassaurus under this system. In 1997, Bradley C. Livesley proposed that Dendrocygna were a separate lineage from Anserinae, placing it and its tribe in its own subfamily, Dendrocygnini. Alternatively, Charles Sibley and John Edward Dahlquist recommended placing Dendrocygna in its own family, Dendrocygnidae, which includes the genus Thalassaurus. Species 8 species of whistling duck are currently recognized in the genus Dendrocygna. However, Johnsgaard considers the white-backed duck from Africa and Madagascar to be distinct 9th species, a view first proposed in 1960 and initially supported by behavioral similarities. Later, similarities in anatomy, duckling vocalizations, and feather proteins gave additional support. Molecular analysis in 2009 also suggested that the white-backed duck was nested within the whistling duck clade. In addition to the extant species, subfossil remains of an extinct, undescribed species have been found on Aitutaki of the Cook Islands. Description: whistling ducks are found in the tropics and subtropics. As the name implies, they have distinctive whistling calls. The whistling ducks have long legs and necks, and are very gregarious, flying to and from nighttime roosts in large flocks. Both sexes have the same plumage, and all have a hunched appearance and black underwings in flight.